Why does your scanner show the P0456 engine code? What does it mean? P0456 is a diagnostic troubled code for Evaporative Emissions Control System leak detected. It means the Evaporative Emissions Control System is now detected with a very small leak, and it's normally smaller than 0.02 inches in diameter. Under this circumstance, distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: gas cap issues, EVAP hoses, purge valve, faulty vent valve, small crack in the fuel tank. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code can appear in many different car models, including Chevys, Toyotas, Fords, Nissans, Hyundai, and many others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.